The Armed Forces of the Philippines has confirmed its first direct observation of Chinese naval drills near Bajo de Masinloc. Mobile journalist Jazz Paredes has this report.
For the first time, the Armed Forces of the Philippines has confirmed that it has directly observed and monitored the People's Liberation Army Navy about 124 nautical miles east of Bajo de Masinloc. This was monitored after the conduct of the 17th Multilateral Maritime Cooperative Activity between the Philippines, Japan, and the United States, which also coincided with the PLA's 99th anniversary last August 1.
After numerous fake messages of drills being conducted by the PLA Navy, this is the first time that we have observed and monitored them conducted.
However, it is still a question whether the Chinese military could maintain the presence of its warships, replenishment ships, hovercraft, and fighter aircraft in Scarborough Shoal.
The AFP was able to monitor last 31 July and 01 August the conduct of drills by the PLA Navy consisting of 5 warships, 1 replenishment ship, 2 hovercrafts, 2 helicopters, and an identified number of fighter aircraft. As to whether this is a sustainable activity is questionable.
However, the AFP said that the Philippines remains firm in asserting its maritime rights and continues to carry out its missions in the West Philippine Sea despite monitoring China's latest military activity. Trinidad also expressed support for Defense Secretary Gilberto Chodoro, emphasizing that defending the country's position in the West Philippine Sea is both a constitutional duty and an obligation to the Republic.
It is not only for the arbitral award, but first and foremost, the AFP stands solidly behind and aligns with the statement of our SND that all Filipinos, all government officials, elected or appointed, should fight for the interest of the country, not only domestically but even in the maritime domain covering the West Philippine Sea.
Meanwhile, the AFP has also called on all Filipinos to set aside differences and stand united in defending the country's rights in the West Philippine Sea. This is following Davao City Representative Paulo Pulong Duterte's remarks accusing Defense Secretary Chodoro of demonizing China. AFP spokesperson Colonel Francel Margaret Padilla, while clarifying that her statement is not directed toward an individual, said that issues concerning the West Philippine Sea should be a unifying factor that transcends politics.
So, lahat tayo bilang mamamayang Pilipino, iisa dapat ang puso natin pag-usapin ng West Philippine Sea. The West Philippine Sea issue is actually a unifying factor. No? It should be a unifying factor for all Filipinos. Pagkausapin ng West Philippine Sea, wala itong kulay, wala itong politika, wala itong religion, wala itong kung ano ang lengguwahe mo or dialect mo.
Kapatid Jazz Paredes, we are One News.